Hi, Chris McGinnis here with Fine & Country. Today you're in for a treat. We're 10 minutes drive from the sandy beaches of the Croisette and Cannes luxury hotels and all the fantastic shops. And we're located here in Les Cannet, about to tour an awesome villa that's contemporary, recently built in 2017, with 4 ensuite bedrooms, 3 of which are on the upstairs level and enjoy beautiful panoramas that are breathtaking of the Bay of Cannes and the Esterels. On the main living level here where I'm standing, we've got a beautiful pool with a gradual descent into the water for lounging. We've got a master suite option here on this level. Big kitchen, south-facing windows. This house has it all. Please join me. We're going to go look at the property in great detail together, and I can't wait to see you here in person. Thanks for joining me. We're inside this beautiful home right now, and we've got an open plan living into kitchen, etc. We've got dining in this house for 10. This living area is fantastic. We've got a glimpse of the sea, in fact, from this level, and it's all plein pied if one desires, with a master suite here behind us. Outside, we've got lounging, cooking facilities. We've got a rooftop terrace where you were just located, looking at me give a little presentation on this property. We're going to look at it in detail outside, and I just love this space. Flat land, easy to maintain. We've got 1,200 square meters of land with this property. Come on in and we'll check out the rest of this part of the main living level of the property. We've seen the living room, we've got dining for 10 here, the entrance on the other side of the property. Here we've got a huge kitchen, an immense island that's perfect for cooking, entertaining with friends, having a drink, and we've got a great flow of communication between this space as well as the living room and dining room area that makes it incredibly seamless for interacting with friends, family, and guests. Got high-end appliances by Miele, oak cabinets, and here we've got a secondary lounge area that looks right out onto the swimming pool. We've got pocket doors that slide totally into the wall that create a beautiful flow of living from inside to out. So we're going to go check out the master bedroom of this house. Come join me. Through the living room, we've got a door to the master that fits seamlessly into the wall, making for a nice architectural feature. And then we've got the master bedroom. Beautiful finishings inside. Hardwood floors are throughout. We've got oak cabinets, reversible heating and air conditioning. And from the master bedroom, we've got beautiful views out onto the pool and the garden and a glimpse of the sea. This master bathroom certainly doesn't disappoint, with double vanity, Philippe Starck bathtub, heated towel rack, shower, and suspended toilet, as well as a window. And from this master, we can check out this walk-in wardrobe here, fully fitted, customized with oak cabinetry. We're going to head upstairs now and check out the remaining 3 bedrooms. It's been an absolute pleasure showing you around this wonderful home. I'm Chris McGinnis with Fine & Country French Riviera, and I can't wait to hear from you. We'd love to hear what you think. Drop us a comment, add a question, let us know what you'd like to see more of. I'm really looking forward to hosting you and your family for property tours here on the French Riviera. Please get in touch with us as soon as you can.